National German Gymnastics Festival is the world's largest competitive sports event, with an estimated 80,000 participants. A large portion of the equipment comes from schools in Leipzig, which lend it to the event. We visited over 40 schools to inspect and mark various pieces of equipment before collecting them. With Timli, we could accurately track which item came from which school and what condition it was in. This also allows us to resolve any disputes later on. For example, if someone says, "No, that's not my mat. Mine looked much better," we can confirm, "No, that's your mat. We recorded it. The barcode matches." In cases where equipment is damaged, we can precisely document the issue, note cracks or dents, attach a photo, and plan where and when the equipment should be used next. We use the recording function to document all equipment and parts in detail, the assignment function to track movements from the school to storage, to the event location and back, and the planning function to plan when and where each item should be. We quickly realized that stickers on the mats weren't sufficient, so we switched to RFID card technology, embedding the cards into the mats and using an external reader to import the codes directly into Timli. In the event of damage, Timli allows us to immediately see the previous condition of the item, document the exact location of the damage, and track exactly who picked it up and who transported it. With GPS tracking, we can see the last recorded location of each item, making it easy to trace in case of any uncertainties. It's clear that with this software, information about each piece of equipment is always available and easy to find.